Hello everyone, in this video, I will explain how to perform labeling for training samples in object detection tasks. Before labeling, I recommend organizing your prepared sample data together. It's important to note that if you hope to extract objects based on panoramic data later, you will need to label panoramic data samples here, and it's best if the image pixels are consistent. The basic requirements for sample labeling in object detection include the following points. 1. On an image, any recognizable object that is not blurred should be labeled. Try to avoid missing any labelings. 2. The labeling shape for the same type of object should be consistent. For example, for street lights, decide whether to label the light head and pole together or separately as two objects. 3. The labels for the same type of object should be consistent. There should not be similar-looking objects with different labels. 4. For the same type of object that is clearly visible in the photos, there should not be some photos labeled and some not. 5. The rectangular box used for labeling should enclose the entire object as much as possible. 6. There should be no incorrect labelings. After opening the software, create a project using any point cloud. Then go to the toolbox, find the Image Deep Learning node under the Raster Tools, and double-click to start the labeling tool. In the menu, click the Open Directory button to find the image folder where the samples to be labeled are located. The software will automatically read all the images in the folder into the list on the right. You can double-click the image name in the list to switch between images. You can also use the first two buttons in the Ortho window toolbar to switch to the previous and next images. The corresponding shortcuts are Alt+N. For object detection tasks, the labeling tool we need is the Create Rectangle tool. Use the left mouse button to draw a rectangle in two-point mode. After enclosing the object we want to recognize, a page for setting the label will pop up. We can enter a text as the label for the current object. When labeling this object later, simply double-click to select this label. If an object label is set incorrectly, you can select the object, right-click in the Object Detection panel, and edit the title to reset the label. If the detection box labeling is not very accurate, you can use the Edit Rectangle function to drag the rectangle edges or nodes to re-edit the shape of the rectangle box. If you need to delete a labeling, use the Selection function to select the object and then right-click in the Object Detection panel to delete the vector. Follow the above standards and labeling methods to label all the sample data. That's the operational introduction to sample labeling for object detection tasks. Thank you for watching.